everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Chinese Zongzi and Mexican Tamales. Both of them are made of plant leaves with some meat filling. Similar but different. Let's check it out how to make them at home with very friendly recipes. Today I'm going to make the super simple and basic version of Zongzi, which has pork meat as filling only. The preparation of this recipe is very easy. We cut the pork belly into 3 to 4 cm square. Marinate the pork with all the sauces overnight in the fridge, or at least 3 hours to let the meat have a deep flavor. In China, every year of the 5th of May, according to lunar calendar, we celebrate Duanwu festival. Zongzi is the most traditional food during this holiday. Next day, soak some bamboo leaves in the hot water for 2 hours. Then move to the rice part. Glutinous rice, or you can also call it sticky rice, is the main component of filling. Rinse the rice a few times until the water is not so milky. Drain it, add in all the sauces directly, mix up, and set aside for 2 hours. This year Duanwu festival falls on June 25th of regular calendar that it is getting so close. I'm really crave for the aromatic warmth of Zongzi. That's why I decided this year I have to do by myself. Zongzi can be made savory or sweet. Different places in China have their own favorite flavors and different ways of wrapping. Having meat with salted egg yolks as filling is very popular in the southern and eastern regions of China, such as my hometown Shanghai. A popular belief amongst the Chinese of eating Zongzi involved commemorating the death of Qu Yuan, a famous Chinese poet, known for his patriotism. In 278 BC, the present king didn't take Qu Yuan's warning that finally lose his kingdom. Qu Yuan's grief was so intense that he drowned himself into the river after penning the lament for his country. According to legend, people who admired Qu Yuan made rice pastilles and threw them into the river in the hope that the fish would not consume Qu Yuan's body, and ate rice pastilles instead. But the first mentioning in the book about Zongzi actually appeared even 200 years before the legend. How to fold and wrap the Zongzi. From the video you can tell, pick 2 pieces of bamboo leaves, smooth side up, stack to another. Turn the leaves around to form a cone. Fill up the cone with a tablespoon of sticky rice at the bottom, then add pork belly. Cover the filling with the sticky rice. Fold down the leaves to close the cone. Press it firmly, then turn aside the extra leaves. Use one hand to hold the Zongzi, and the other to tie it tightly with a dead knot. This is also my first time to make Zongzi. Let's say there's no right or wrong shape and size. As long as it's wrapped tight and does not open during cooking, it's a success. The most important part is the flavor, and I believe this recipe will never let you down. Now we are going to cook it. In a large pressure cooker, put enough warm water to submerge all the Zongzi. Cover the pressure cooker, open the safety valve, and lock the lid. Heat over medium-high heat until steam starts to come out from the nozzle. Lower the heat to simmer for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the pressure cooker rest without opening for another 30 minutes. My Zongzi is already done. Let's open it and check it out. It has a very special fragrance that mainly comes from the cooked bamboo leaves, which remind me a lot of my childhood in Shanghai. And the filling part, you can see the sticky rice has a very shining surface and looks very juicy. Inside the rice, the meat is also well cooked, very tender. It has a fantastic flavor because of the best combination of light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and the sugar.